I'm a designer of lifestyle. What I design is not only furniture, it's a way of life. Each piece of product, all based on needs and daily use. I seek a balance between aesthetics, comfort, and functionality. From materials and shape to texture and technique, every detail is carefully designed. The definition of high-end is the feeling that the complete space brings instead of focusing on one piece of furniture. Lighting, layout, materials, and vibe. All these elements come together to create a complete living experience. Because what people will remember is the feeling instead of product itself.
I'm a furniture manufacturer. Every product is supported by a comprehensive manufacturing system. From raw materials to finished goods, every step of the process is strictly controlled. Materials, craftsmanship, efficiency, and quality. Not only reflected on what customers can see, but also will be more valuable as time goes on. Through flexible production capabilities and a reliable delivery system, we professionally serve projects all over the world with different needs.
I'm a global partner. We work closely with property owners, designers, and project clients all over the world. From showroom experiences to product selection to customized solutions, we assist our clients turn their ideas come true. Because furniture procurement shouldn't be complicated. Instead, it should be a professional, efficient, and full of expectation. Beside complete product system and operational system, we also assist our partners build comprehensive showroom systems. From space planning, product match, display systems, to operational support, we assist our global partners with creating high-end local furniture experience space. Because a truly successful showroom is never just a collection of products. It is the result of experience, strategy, long-term collaboration, and sound management.
We are PLAIN HOMELAND.